Now, Miss Batstone, one of the most fantastic English teachers here, will speak about formative relationships. Thank you.
That's a picture from an alternate universe, wherein I was an alien space invader, along with Mr. Bellum. And hopefully we will be able to repeat that experience again. Thank you, Logan, for introducing us to the world of discussions. I am Laura Batstone, and I am privileged to be the English Department Chair at Pacifica, and I am privileged to spend thousands of minutes in discussion with our students. I want to talk about the way relationships are foundational to how we operate here. You may wonder, how is it possible to get young people to have that level of discourse with each other and their teacher for such a sustained amount of time? And my answer is that our deep relationships with each other inspire us to go beyond and push us to invest deeply in the academic process. One of the most magical experiences that I have had with Pacifica students was on our international trip to Rome 2 years ago. We spent nearly 2 weeks wandering through medieval cathedrals, dancing on Roman piazzas, and eating far too much gelato. I was able to experience some of the most beautiful things I've ever seen in my life alongside my students. We saw each other in fully human moments, for better or for worse, and we stood side by side in awe of history. I cannot overstate the impact that this had when we returned to the classroom. It translated into mutual respect and understanding and patience in discussions because we had seen each other in a different situation. Fortunately, these relationships don't only grow in the Italian countryside. You don't have to attend the international trip to have that sort of relationship with your peers and your teachers at Pacifica. At lunch, during advisory groups, sporting events, art galleries, teachers and students are building bonds together through shared experiences and through successes and failures. When we have those shared experiences outside the classroom, the time inside the classroom is enriched. For example, at June's graduation, I said goodbye to some amazing women who have been in my advisory group for 4 years. We've prayed for each other, and we've built amazing memories together, and I'm still in touch with them and plan to be for many years to come. In the classroom, that advisory group translated into trusting each other, listening to each other, and extending a bit more grace to each other because we knew each other's humanity, and we had gotten to know their souls a bit. At Pacifica, the mutual investment between teachers and students is unlike anything I've seen at any other institution. One of our favorite annual ways to encourage these relationships is through our annual retreat, which is something that is not easily forgotten. So let's travel back in time to what seems like an alternate universe when we all dressed up in silly costumes in the Arizona mountains at our annual retreat.